In this episode, wait to see the cooking challenge. Day 4 at IESS, today we have a midterm and we were supposed to read a case. We started off today with building birdhouse. So the activity is to make a portable birdhouse from limited resources that were provided, and we can also use virtual money to buy building material. These guys were the winners and we lost. And now let's go for lunch. And after this yummy lunch, we went for the cooking challenge. And let's start this challenge with a change in music. So teams of 2 members each were made. Tasks were divided. Some had to make appetizers and some were supposed to make dessert. But I had to make the main course, oh no! So a wide variety of ingredients were provided and we had to choose what we can cook from those available ingredients. And that's me, Muhammad Ali. My team member was Ghania. Both of us have zero experience of cooking. It is going to be a disaster. So from the wide variety of available ingredients, we decided to make fettuccine Alfredo pasta as our main course. And obviously, since we know nothing about how to cook, we took the help of YouTube to identify the way and the recipe to cook it. So Vanya, how's it going so far?
This kind of looks nice.
Yeah, you regretting the color? अताउर रहमान साहब, आपने कभी सोचा था कि इस तरीके से किचन में खाना पका रहे होंगे?
इधर इस तरह से कभी सोचा तो ऐसे ही बनाते पहले भी मैं बनाता था.
Wow, that is good. So you have an advantage over us. Sunil sir, would you be able to do it?
Yeah, definitely I'll do it.
This is the kind of confidence we are looking for. Enthusiasm is all on its peak. And we have a friend here to help us. What's your name, bro?
Shayan.
Shayan हमें help करने आ गए हैं. Are you good at cooking?
No, not really. I'm just helping around.
Ma'am, would you like to say something on your progress so far? What are you making and what should we expect?
We're trying to make a Thai-style appetizer with a little bit of Pakistani.
Oh,
It's hot and cold.
hot and cold at the same time. Wow.
Hopefully.
It's Thai, hot and cold, a la Pakistani tomato.
Amal, would you like to say something on your progress so far? You're all red, your nose is
My
right
nose
now.
is still red because of cutting all these onions. But I'm really proud of my teammate Shayan. Honestly, look at the way he's cooking. Look at the chicken. अभी शक्ल बनेगी टमाटर डालकर बन. How's your experience going?
It's going so far so good. We're making Alfredo pasta. Let's see how it goes. The chicken is done. Again, Shayan helped us with that.
आता हूँ मैं क्या किसने कर लिया किचन?
So Patrick, how is it going so far? What are you cooking for us?
Very, very good. We are making amazing chicken cheese potato balls.
Wow.
And you will love them, I'm sure about that.
Let's have a look.
It's good, right?
Yeah, it's good. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
Oh, we will see.
Let's see.
You can judge later.
After a lot of effort, we were finally done with making a masterpiece. Coming up in 3, 2, 1, yeah. And also let's see what other groups did. And now let's attack on the food. Now let's end this video with a question of the day. Which one do you think was the best dish among all? Write your thoughts in the comment section below and let's see who wins. Keep following Aligopoly on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube and stay tuned to see some amazing content.